Happy New Year, everyone. We are back and we are ready for 2023. And so I wanted to talk to you about some laws that have changed, going into the new year that you need to keep in mind. There's a lot of HR related rules that are changing. In fact, a lot more than in previous years. And so it's important to make sure you are HR compliant going into this year. If you've put that off and now you want to use it as an excuse to kind of make some changes and update your office policies, this is the time to do it. The beginning of year is a great time because one, your employees are expecting things to change, right? You had open enrollment with health insurance, and everyone knows the laws change January 1, and so it's always a great time to start updating your employment manual and get going with compliance. So kind of keep that in mind. What I would recommend is that you touch base with HR for Health. Make sure you have the new hire documents for your existing employees. If you don't, make sure you send them the new documents. Remember, there's about 12 to 17 documents that you need to have for every single employee. And so if you don't have that, then make sure you get that and you get them to update your records. And then obviously getting an employment manual in place for the new year is very important. If you're an HR for Health customer, you will get that, as part of your, membership. And so you don't have to worry about that. And then finally, there's a lot of, as I mentioned, new laws coming in place. So keep tuned into that on our social media and Facebook pages and other places. We're going to do a bunch of webinars to go into great detail about those. But let's get 2023 kicked off in a strong way. Make sure your HR is compliant. Get in touch with HR for Health, and then keep an eye out on all of our content that we're putting out for our webinars, as it's going to be a jam-packed January and February. All right, hope you guys are well. Wish you a great new year. Talk to you soon.